everyone, and welcome to day 4 of these real-time videos for the 30-day coloring challenge. Today I am doing another unicorn because I love unicorns, but this is the last one in the stamp set, so no more unicorns. And there actually isn't any more unicorns planned because I'm using just my favorite thing stamps for all the different images, and these were the only unicorns that I had, at least. But today's unicorn is a very soft yellow. Now, you could think that it is kind of a white yellow and that it's reflected to him, or you can just think that he's yellow because there's probably yellow unicorns out there, don't you think? There might be. I kind of just picked some colors today. I enjoyed playing around with the really light blues, so I thought that why not use some more of my very light colors. And yellow is one of those colors that very rarely get used because yellow isn't really my favorite color at all. But I do have a couple of videos where I used yellow on the characters, but not so many. I didn't think that I was a pink person, and then I colored my hair pink, and then everything got pink. So somehow maybe I am, or I kind of became a pink person when I colored my hair pink. So I think pink is one of those colors I use a lot. And brown. I like brown. Anyhow, I am doing a dual layer here with my yellows because I really felt that the yellow was way too light. I didn't get any kind of definition. So I layered twice. And as I have done with all of these, I started with smaller, darker shadow, and then I just extended that a little bit, and then I extended with the medium color, and then I extended that with the lightest color. And when I go over for the second layer, I do the darkest shadow a little bit wider than I did it before, so that I will have one part of the darker, which is the dark color on top of the dark color, and one part where the dark color is on top of the medium. And then when I go with the medium, I go with it over a little bit over the previous medium and a little bit over the previous light, and then I do the light over the light and over the paper, so that they kind of go in each other, over each other, and therefore getting a better blend, a much softer blend, much more even blend. And by you both get a more even blend, but you also get a little bit more depth because the colors automatically becomes much darker because you have 2 layers of pigment on top of each other. For the mane and the nose and the hooves, yeah, I kind of have a theme that I do them in a different color. I chose to go with the YRs in the same tone, so the quadruple, the triple, and the double. And they're not orange, they're more kind of peachy. And I kind of love them because they are this orange peachy. I don't know, it's a soft color. It makes me calm and happy. I also did a dual layer on that because the colors are so light and I wanted to have a little bit more depth and dimension. I choose to go a dual layer to build up the color and get a little bit more dimension. But he's still a very soft unicorn, kind of cute and cuddly, and he makes me happy. And that's kind of why I do my coloring, to make myself happy. But yeah, that was all the coloring today. I didn't even add any kind of glitter pens or gel pens or anything. He's just simple and yellow and happy. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Down below you find all the details and all the materials that I have used. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!